Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a line graph in Canva. First, what you need to do is you have to open a new page and then go to Elements. And after that, you want to scroll down a bit. And on the chart section, you can click on it and it will reveal all different charts and graphs that is available in Canva. And since the one that you want to use is the line chart, you can click on any of these two options. I'm going to select in this option. And you will get this template that you could modify the number later. As you can see on the left side of the screen, there is a section where you can modify the data. So for example, let's say I'm going to change the number of the item 2, item 2 series 2, oh yeah, okay, to be, let's say 35, and I'm going to hit enter. That number will be changed automatically. The chart will reflect the data that you have set on this side of the screen. So that's very useful. You don't have to do the editing manually. This feature will do it automatically for you. And then there's also labels where you can select which row that you want to use as a label. In this case, it uses the label that says item 1, item 2. You can also change it to this, which is going to look weird, but yeah, that's what you can do. The value is the same. This is where you can use what rows that you want to use as the value. Let's say I'm going to remove this and this. You can see it will adjust automatically. So that's really useful. And also, if you go to the settings, you'll see there are multiple options you can enable or disable. This is the axis label. You can remove it. There's also legend. Legend is this. It's just a context that gives information to the user or to the viewer of the chart. And there's also grid lines that you can remove if you want to, but I think it is better to have that. And also you can change the color. For example, I'm going to change the color to orange, and the other one is going to be maybe red, and the other one is going to be green. So yeah, red, green, and blue. That looks really cool. And also you can change the font. For example, by default it uses this font, but I don't like it. I'm gonna be using something looks more interesting, like this retro font. Okay, and you can also make the marker different. You can increase the size, and also you can choose a different marker. So I think circle is definitely better. There is also an option to increase the line weight of the chart, of the graph, like this. And also the one that's interesting is the smoothing option. So previously it looks jagged, but you can enable smoothing and it's going to look a bit prettier. And I think lastly is you can change the size of the chart of this graph. You can click here and then drag it to the left, and then you can click here and drag it to the right. So you'll see something that look a lot bigger. So that's how you can create a line graph in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.